the G letter shape. Okay, so this is a capital G and a lowercase g. That is the name of the letter. But the sound it makes is the G sound. G, G, G. Make sure you sing it with me at home, please. G, G. Well done. So let's put the G sound into some words then. And today's first word is girl. Girl. G, o, girl. G, o, girl. G, o, girl. The girl is happy. Could be a sentence there. Okay, how many letters does girl have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters. How many sounds? G, o. 3 sounds. 1, 2, 3. And we've got the 2-letter sound in the middle here, which is the sound. G, o, girl. Okay, our next one is glass. 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 G, o, s. Glass. So we've got 2 adjacent consonant sounds here. Okay, so we need to blend them quickly together. G, l. We blend them quickly together to make the gl sound. Gl, s. Glass. Okay, I have a glass of water, or I am looking through the glass window. Could be sentences. Gl, s. Glass. So we're saying these consonant sounds quickly together. We're blending them quickly together. Okay, glass. Super. And our last one is globe. Globe. G, o, b. Globe. Okay, we've got the g, l together again, so it makes the gl sound. Okay, gl, o, b. Globe. Gl, o, b. Globe. Here we have a split digraph where the e is joining the o to make the o sound. Gl, o, b. Globe. Okay, where are you on the globe? Okay, how many letters does globe have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. How many sounds? G, l, o, b. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds. Even though the g and l together make the gl sound, they're still individual sounds, okay? We just blend them quickly together because they are consonants. But they are still individual sounds, okay? So, let's go through them all again together. Say it with me at home, please, like always. G, g, g. Okay, next one. Girl. G, o, girl. Glass. G, l, as. Gl, as. Glass. Globe. G, l, o, b. Or gl, o, b. Globe. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.